What is physics, and why does it matter to our everyday lives? Whether you're driving a car using your phone or even watching this video, physics is at work all around us. Welcome back to. Today we're breaking down what physics is and why it's one of the most important fields of science. Physics is the study of how the universe works. It's all about understanding the fundamental laws that govern motion, energy, forces, and matter, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. It explains why things move, fall, or stay still. If you've ever wondered why objects fall to the ground, why planets orbit the sun, or how electricity powers your home, you're thinking about physics. One of the central ideas in physics is Newton's laws of motion, which explain how and why objects move the way they do. Energy is another key concept. It's what makes everything happen. Whether it's the kinetic energy of a moving car or the potential energy stored in a battery, energy is constantly being transformed and used. Physics isn't just about theories. It's all around us in our everyday lives. Think about technology. Electricity, magnetism, and even waves are all explained by physics. Your smartphone, for example, wouldn't work without an understanding of how electromagnetic waves carry signals. And let's not forget gravity, the force that keeps our feet on the ground and our planets in orbit. So, why should you care about physics? Because it's the key to understanding how the world works. From the gadgets you use to the stars in the sky. Physics helps us solve problems, build new technologies, and unlock the mysteries of the universe. Next time on, we'll dive into Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by a force. Stay tuned to learn more. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.